Once again, the default apps that you would get on any phone for that matter, including this iPhone 12 Pro Max, are these ones right here that you guys can see. And it doesn't matter which iPhone it is. It could be a 64 gig, 128 gig. Actually, there's no 64 gig of this one, but other models there is. And these are the default apps. Let me just click into this folder so you guys can see. Those are it, and that's it. Anything else that you might like in your phone, go into the App Store and download it from there. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or if this is your very first iPhone ever, make sure to check out my manual where you guys can see tricks and tips to get started with your iPhone. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.